Hello, sir. Welcome to our stall. We Varun engineers and myself Sagar. We are based at Nacharam, and we are the distributors for this Anistivata air compressors and Anistivata coating guns and Ingersoll tools, pumps, and metal handling system. And we also dealers for this just pallet trucks, metal handling system, which are used in industries and warehouses. We are dealers since 2005 in the market, and we do this complete compressor projects, pipeline projects, and we provide metal handling solution to the end customers. Yes, thank you.